This episode, we are cooking pork on the rocks, trying out homemade wine made of ginger, and trekking through mud, jungle, and parasites, all to find the next ingredient for my ultimate Darjeeling thali. But before that, let's back up. This is Darjeeling, and this is Darjeeling in the monsoon. The views are blocked, the roads are muddy, but that just means it's a different kind of adventure for a different kind of person. Today we are exploring two properties perfect for adventurers who don't mind getting their feet wet and hands dirty. So let's begin. Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Peaks and Platters. We're at Pokhrebung, which is around 40 minutes drive from Mirik, and we're gonna have some fun. We are visiting a homestay just uphill from this cozy town, where we will be cooking stone-grilled pork as well as partake in some historical rituals. But before that, I have a detour to make. Hello, namaste.
Hello, namaste.
Mr. and Mrs. Roy kindly showed me around the beautiful home and garden. It's not uncommon to see locals grow their own ingredients in their backyard nursery, but I'm not here for veggies. She had all kinds of pickles made fresh for sale. I wanted to take something that'll go good with our pork dinner later, but she insisted I taste the whole platter. Okay, na mustard leaf for flour. I don't like bean as a sabji also, but let's try. And it's called methi, both in Nepali and in Hindi. Locally, it's called root tomato, a tomato that's grown on a tree. Sour. Somebody who likes sour, this is good for them. So now I have a huge responsibility to choose which achar we're gonna have it. The mustard flour, duku, and fenugreek stout. I chose this because something leafy is always good with pork. Helps in digestion also, and it is good, that's why. You know what else helps with digestion? Some good old homemade alcohol.
अनि यसले तपाईको अलिकति सर्दी खोकीहरु पनि अलिकति जाती हुने गर्छ
कति खानु पर्छ जाती हुनुको लागि
तपाईको अब यो त अब धेरै त खानु भएन यति एउटा तपाईको लिमिट राखेर खायो भने देखि यसले राम्रो
अब खोकीको त एक बोतल खानु भन्छ यो चाहिँ कति खानु पर्यो यति मेहनत गर्नु भएको छ तपाईले इट्स रियली गुड थ्यांक यू सरलाई चाहिँ छैन हो म्याडमले मात्रै बनाउनु भएको छ एउटा पनि थियो फेरि म हो सरी Look guys, what I got ginger beer and the pickles for our dinner tonight. Yes. With my spirits high, I made it to the road leading up to my destination for tonight. Ramdal Eco Camp's entrance lives up to its name. While I'm sure it's a walk in the park during other seasons, the monsoon rains have wrecked the road, turning a simple drive into an off-road adventure. Hi, we just reached Ramal Camp. The road was really tough. It's slippery. It was a fun drive, but I think while returning, I need to get my tire pressure down. You could say the whole ordeal left me a little deflated. Thank you to my wonderful crew. Hello.
Hi.
Our host, Mr. Hojo, welcomed us to the property that covers half the hillside. The entire village and his camp is named after his great-grandfather, Sardar Ramdal. The camp has all kinds of accommodations. You can sleep over in a tent, a cabin, or a cozy A-frame cottage. You know what? This is an amazing property. Thanks to Homestay, for making this trip possible. Let's check out the rooms. Oh wow, I can see my car from here. Nice. Electricity सबै छ?
No electricity. We run on solar.
Okay.
Completely solar.
Off-grid?
Off-grid.
This is off-grid
Completely
property,
off-grid property. We have solar backup को लागि generator राखेको छु. Because sometimes अब यस्तो मा charge हुँदैन राम्रो. So everything from electricity to centralized geyser, hot water, everything is solar.
For our pork meal, we bought out the stone grill. This rock on which we will be cooking our pork was dug up when they were laying the foundation of the property. But while the stone was heating up, Brother Hojo took me on a small trek to the hill above the property. Tiffindara or Tiffin Hill, a popular local viewpoint that got its name because the British used to come here with their tiffins. Since we are at Tiffindara, we are following the tradition. I've bought my own tiffin. Let's see what's there. Oh yes, my favorite fried rice, which we even call bhuteko bhat. Cheers guys. But I need to watch out for leeches. There's beans, carrots, egg, onion. I got back satisfied by my meal, but apparently I wasn't the only one feasting. Hello, are you done? Back to the grill. Once the grill is hot, we lower the flame and get the meat. The pork has been marinated in ginger garlic paste, lime juice, coriander, cumin and meat masala. Slow cook the meat until it gets a crispy texture on the outside. When it's about to be done, apply some mustard oil for aroma. So here at Ramal Eco Camp, we just made barbecue pork on a stone grill. We're about to taste it with a ginger wine and some mustard leaf pickle that we got in the morning from a sweet lady from Pokrebung. So good. The texture is also good and it's very sweet. I like it. I think it's going to match good with this pickle. Yeah, I was right. I told you it'll go good with the pork. Remember? Cheers. Yes. After such a heavy meal, we headed out to the ground near the camp for some much needed exercise. There's nothing like football in the rain or sitting by a campfire, but Brother Hojo told me he had one more surprise waiting for me. A few friends joined us for our outdoor evening barbecue. Songs, poems, good food and drink. What a day.
म डल्लेको पिरो म तोम्बाको माथु म गुरुङ मगर तामाङ
Thank you bro for having us. Hey, एकदम राम्रो लाग्यो. Yo, the place is really amazing. Getting out of Ramdal was just as eventful as getting in. And by the time I was out of the mud, I wanted to ditch the hills and head downstream. Yes, finally here. So, way up there is Pokrebung, and it takes around 40 minutes to reach this place. It's called Cedars Intake. We're heading to Jun Homestay for some camping, fishing, and if you're lucky, you'll catch some fish this time. Let's go. Oh, this patch. Since it's rainy season, we didn't want to take any risk, so we left our car on the main road. It's a short hike to the homestay. It said bad roads lead to beautiful places. I'm headed to a campsite by the river, owned by Mr. Safal Pradhan. Junkeri campsite is a property packed with activities for those who want to get close up with nature. I was promised some fishing, but this river didn't seem like it would cooperate.
अहिले
अहिले त लान्छ नि खाँदैन
अलिकति रिस्की नै छ तपाईको तर बादमा जब हाम्रो यो भनौँ न नोभेम्बरदेखिको टिल अप्रिल सम्म चाहिँ एकदम पर्फेक्ट सुइटेबल हुन्छ तपाईको यहाँ
We headed out to another river to fish, and I don't know if he was joking, but he told me that what we were going to do might not be fully legal. मात्रै गर्नु पायो
मात्रै त्यो पनि जाली छ अब तपाईको अरु त हामी फिशिङ प्रोटेक्सन कमिटी पनि यहाँ अलरेडी इभन आइ एम द मेम्बर है त्यहाँनेर
अच्छा अच्छा
बट स्टिल अब एङ्गलिङ चाहिँ अब मेरो ख्यालमा अलिकति लिगलै हो जस्तो लाग्छ है
अच्छा अच्छा
किनभने त्यो अलिकति हामीले सानसानो छोड्ने हो ठुल्ठुलो राख्ने हो है
अब रेस्पोन्सिबल भएर गर्नु
अलिकति रेस्पोन्सिबल भएर हजुर राइट
There, we came across a local tourist spot, a suspension bridge built by the British back in the colonial times. Just below it, we got to our legally grey activities. I can smell weed. Is this weed? Chittapachi.
लाग्दैछ
कल पाउँछ त्यो यसरी चाहिँ ओ ओ पार्यो 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 Congratulations!
असला है
यो असलै
असला
हेर्नु त
अहिले कहाँ यहाँनिर भएको तपाईँ बाहिर है
हजुर
यहीँ ट्राई गर्नुहोस् न
I don't know if it was my inexperience or my bad luck. I didn't get a single bite for an hour until
क्याच क्याच
I decided to quit while I was ahead and asked Mr. Safal if there was anything else worth seeing before sunset. And he asked me if I was up for a little trek. It got a little dark by the time we reached the falls, but it was totally worth it.
We finally reached Sanke Falls. Whoa!
By the end of it all, I was exhausted, but in a good way. The roads were difficult and the weather wasn't the best. In short, monsoon travel isn't everyone's cup of tea. But for those who come looking for adventure and stories to collect, they're not going to be disappointed. Anything? Let's go.